Bonjour, bienvenue. I speak French with confidence. That is, hello and welcome to my channel, Speak French with Confidence. In this video, we'll be talking about croquembouches that are an elegant French dessert. First, let me show you a picture of this dessert. So this is what croquembouches are all about. See, this might seem to you as a Christmas tree, but this is what a croquembouche is all about. Before beginning the video, I'd like to say that if you're new to my channel or you're viewing my videos for the first time, this is me, Ahana, and on this channel I am here to support, guide and teach you French. So let's zoom in. So croquembouches, from the French croque and bouche, meaning crunch in the mouth. This means that the word croquembouche is derived from croquembouche, that means crunch in the mouth, is a stunning French dessert that is traditionally made for weddings and other grand celebrations. So according to traditional or cultural programs, this is usually made for weddings, that is marriages, or rather it could be made for grand celebrations like Christmas. Now, it consists of cream-filled choux pastries, puffs snapped into a tall cone and bound together with caramelized sugar. So, the croquembouches consist of cream-filled choux pastries. Now, choux pastries could be described as a rather smaller, a better bound version and more cream-filled version of donuts. So these choux pastry puffs, these are basically spongy puffs. So these are stacked into tall cone-like structure, just like the one I showed you. Let me show it again. Yeah. So this is the kind of structure that it is stacked in. Now these choux pastries, after they're stacked into a tall cone, they're bound together with caramelized sugar. Now, so that they could stand and be held together, they are bound or held using caramelized sugar, that is a form of sugar which is cooked on a rather higher temperature and leads to a yellowish brown colored syrup. Now, the outer caramel hardens, creating a crisp golden shell that cracks delightfully when eaten. So, the outer caramel that is present, that is the layer with which it is bound together, it hardens. So, when this layer hardens, it creates a crisp golden shell. Now, because the caramel is of yellowish golden color, so it creates a golden shell after it hardens. Now this shell is crisp because of the hardening, and so when it goes into the mouth of the eater or when it is eaten, it cracks delightfully, which is satisfying. Now the question is, how is it made? So it requires 4 essential things to be made. Now these essential things are: first, choux pastry. So first of all, the making of choux pastry is used. Now, the choux pastries are made by the breads or many other ingredients. Now, these choux pastries are then filled. That is the second step, that is filling. These could be filled with chocolate, vanilla or blackcurrant traditionally. After the filling, these are assembled into the cone using caramel. So they are caramelized. Now, the decoration is done using sprinklers, chocolate syrups, vanilla syrups, etc. etc. Now, after that, lastly, for the last topic, there are many modern variations of croquembouches which are not traditional. So, in the modern variations, some of the chefs use chocolate ganaches or glazes which are used to bind the choux pastries in the stack of cone together instead of caramelized sugar. Now, for the second point, the customized fillings I use, that is fruits, liqueurs, mascarpone, cream. So the fruits are basically more about chocolates, raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, blackcurrants, apples, etc. Now, the liqueur means about wines, and then the cream of mascarpone is called mascarpone cream. Lastly, mini croquembouches served as individual portions. So, usually, the ideal size of croquembouches is this. Now, when the croquembouches are served as mini croquembouches, they are served in the half of this. So, this was all about croquembouches. I hope you learned something new in this video, and I hope it was interesting for you all, and I had gathered your attention and interest both. Now, for the homework for today, you could also let me know about what are the customized fillings, like what fruits are used, what other liqueurs and wine are used, and what basically is a mascarpone cream. I gave you examples of fruits, I even told you about liqueurs, but I won't tell you about what a mascarpone cream it is. So, you've got to tell me about what a mascarpone cream is in the comment section after researching. Now, it's time to say goodbye. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Also, turn on the bell icon so that you could get notified. Also, do not forget to follow my WhatsApp channel, Speak French with Confidence, for updates on the BTS pictures and beforehand updates on what videos are going to come. Au revoir, merci, bye, thank you, stay safe.